I think we should help raise money for the relief aid by having a bake sale.
A bake sale.
I have a recipe for lemon bars from my mom. We can wear our costumes outside the grocery store and sell lemon bars, which would be a good deed and help people.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're doing the foods of COON and Friends. Now, COON and Friends basically just has two foods. It has Clyde's mom's lemon bar recipe, and then it has Mint Berry Crunch, which I always feel like is a cereal, right? Isn't it a cereal? But we're going to instead infuse the Mint Berry Crunch into the lemon bar recipe, which would not be a lemon bar, it would be just a Mint Berry Crunch bar. I can't say that like that. Mint Berry Crunch bar. Now might be a bad time to mention that I've not only never made a lemon bar in my life, I've also never eaten a lemon bar in my life, so I have no idea what they're supposed to taste like. These I feel came out they seem really good. I don't know what they're supposed to look like, but they seem like one of the least terrible things I've made here. So, lemon bar virgin.
Oh man, these are really good lemon bars.
How have I never had these before in my life? I've been missing out on so much, guys. I feel like I've been missing out on half my life by not eating these until now. So we know that there's no way in hell that this Mint Berry Crunch bar is gonna be anywhere as good as those lemon bars. Or is it? Or is it? Because it came out pretty beastly. That looks good though. I ain't gonna lie, that looks good. Oh, I wanna eat it. Considering that this did not, to the best of my knowledge, this thing that I'm holding right now did not exist before today. Maybe it's a good first attempt of ever having this in the entire history of anything. You know what, someone probably did it like 10 years ago and in the kitchen randomly, but Mint Berry Crunch. Needed more berry. Did it need more berry? It might have needed more berry. Maybe like some concentrated stuff. So this is good too. It's not as tart as well, it's not as lemony as the lemon. I guess it would be more tart because it's cranberries, but could have used some more cranberryness. I do like the lemony sourness of the lemon bars. I think that's what makes them so good, is they offset the sweet with the lemoniness. This could have used more cranberryness, but it's definitely not bad. Isn't that my catchphrase? It's not bad. Oh, I'm surprised. It's not bad. I like this minty berry crunchiness. If I eat the cranberry on top with it, it's the right amount of cranberryness that I think we needed in here. But this is, if you get more cranberryness into this, so I would say we had a fairly successful day. Fairly successful day. They're tasty. If you get the cranberry inside of it, more cranberry flavor, this would be perfect. So, that's it. I'm done eating. Go away now. Bye. Go away. Bye.
Mint Berry Crunch.